What's up everybody? Today we're going to talk about the I/O board on the XPS 9700. This thing has an SD card slot and a 3.5mm audio jack. Maybe one or even both of these have gone bad on yours. Either way, I'm going to say that you're pretty fortunate here because it's independent from the motherboard. I'm going to give it a 3.5 out of 10 in terms of difficulty. Stay right here and we'll go through it.
Parts People Tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Alright, let's grab our tools. I recommend using a T5 Torx as well as a Phillips #1, and it doesn't hurt to have a plastic scribe as well. If you need any of these, I'll leave a link in the description below. Step number 1, unscrew the bottom base and gently separate it from the palm rest. This is where having the plastic scribe really helps out. Then, to avoid electrical damage, it's always good to disconnect the battery. Now unscrew and lift out the input-output circuit board. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is... The reassembly process is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.